Hi everybody, it's Julie, and today is brought to you by the letter P, and it is Wednesday, April 19th. We are going to be making polka dot envelope prayer pocket with purple flowers. There's going to be other stuff too. So let's go ahead and get right into this. And so we'll pull our envelope over here. We're going to be making one, but of course I'm going to be ending up with 3 when I'm finished. So I'm just putting my extras over to the side there. And so let's go ahead and let's start. We're going to start with our card here because it's out and that'll be easy. We're going to go ahead and stamp. Again, we're doing the other than black stamping. Again, using the blue. I'm going to turn that up and that way I know that I have already done that. Okay. Here we're going to go ahead and stamp on this using my other stamp. Okay, these are for the Mother's Day prayer journals that I'm making. I'm making 3 of them. They'll actually be a little gift basket or gift box. I haven't decided yet. Okay, so I have my heart is ready. I had gotten this at Dollar Tree. It's a little notepad. It's a Post-it note. Okay, so for the envelope, I'm going to go ahead and just grab some glue, and I'm going to glue on the top of the heart. Okay, so just adding a little bit of glue across the top of the heart. And then I'm going to lift this up, and I'm going to add glue here. It's just so much easier than trying to figure out where the glue should go to go ahead and put it on the top and then put it down on the bottom. And then I just want to make sure that this is coming down and not going past the bottom of the card. So I did end up with a little bit of glue here and a little bit here. So I'm going to grab that off of there and pull out my eraser. Okay. So it's a glue eraser. Okay, and just get that glue off of there. Okay, so I took it off with my finger. Okay, so there is my polka dot envelope. So I have a polka dot envelope and I'm adding this on. I'm going to go ahead and leave this so that it can be an enclosure there. And it will also be a pocket. I'll be able to put this down into the journal and have a pocket that I can then go ahead and put a tag or something in there. So this is going to be our insert for inside. And so I'm going to want some of my glue stick. And I think I want that purpley part. So I'm going to go ahead and so trying to use up all my scraps. Remember, I did use the napkin in an earlier video. The N video with napkins. N is for napkins and net and a whole bunch of other things. So, yeah, so today is our letter P, and so we have a pocket and a purple and a polka dot. And I thought about pearls, but they are too bulky for what I'm trying to do for this particular journal, but pearls would be another P. pumpkin if you're doing something for the fall maybe. Okay, so we have a little journaling card, and I'm just going to put that right inside here. Okay, and so this is my prayer pocket. I do also have prayer cards that I want to put in here, but I need to find the ones, the blue ones, and the purple ones. So I'll grab from my prayer. I have those little prayer cards, and I'll put a couple of those in there, making it an actual prayer pocket. Okay, so wanting to add a little bit more to our to what we've got going on here, and I'm like, you know, maybe we need to use our flower as our closure. That was not my original plan, but I think we need a closure. I am going to take this. I was considering this polka dot also. And so we'll go ahead and grab a piece of the joint tape. And we're going to put that under here. Okay. So this is going to help with our little, with the structure of our little closure here. I also, you know what I have? I have a leaf. Whoops. Well, I have a leaf. So I'm going to go ahead and put the leaf down. Should have used fabric tack, because it would put it down and keep it there. Okay, so we got our leaf, and then I'm going to add the flower, purple flower. Okay. And then we'll add, I have some of these little tiny teal or turquoise that we've been using. And then we're going to want one of our bling. Okay. Okay. So that will hold that down. And again, this will be our prayer pocket. And this will go underneath and be held in there. Oh, do you see that? I just took that right off. Wow. That's really something. The paper and everything came off on my finger. Okay, let me see. Okay, I found them. We have this one. Okay, so that gives me a blue one and a purple one. Okay, so a blue one and a purple one going in the prayer pocket. Okay, and then I think I have the word pray. It starts with P, and I have the word prayers. And I think I'm going to go with the prayers, and we'll pull out the book and we'll stamp it on the edge like we did for the other one the other day. Okay, and we'll go ahead and rip around it. hard to rip that close, but there you go. We did it. Okay. So pull that out. I'll have that for the other two. And so I think we can go ahead and put this down underneath here. Like that. And prayers starts with P, so that's perfect for today's letter of the day. Okay, I'm going to move this over. There we go. Okay, and then this comes down. It can go underneath that leaf. And that gives me a prayer pocket. Okay. So, our polka dot envelope prayer pocket with purple flowers. Okay, you open it up. You've got your prayers inside here. We've added napkin scraps and one of my stamps. And then we made a little cluster closure down here that we can just send that right into. Okay, so that is letter P. So pocket, purple, prayer, polka dot, all words that start with P. And I think that is going to be amazing. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you check out your Post-it notes. They work perfect because the sticky part is up on top, and so it doesn't make it so that you can't put it in there. I'm just getting the shiny glue off because, you know, because it's got this magic eraser from the Dollar Tree. And so, yeah, so there you go. There you go. Yeah, so what ideas do you have for items for embellishment starting with the letter P? Put those in the comments down below and help those of us that are looking for ideas using the letter P. So tomorrow we have the letter Q, and I am so excited. I had some help coming up with ideas for that one, and so stay tuned for tomorrow at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time. We'll have our premiere with a live chat. You just hit that live chat button that's right down there, and you can join us in the live chat. So I hope you'll do that. We're here every day at 10:30 Pacific Standard Time. And while we're home, safer at home and beyond. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Bye-bye.